Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm new here. I'm looking for the train station.
Ah, the train station. It's not far. Go straight ahead, then turn left at the traffic light.
Straight ahead, then left at the traffic light. Got it. How long does it take?
About 10 minutes on foot.
Thank you so much.
Part 2. Asking different ways.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the post office?
Of course. Go down this street, then take the second right. The post office is next to the bank.
Second right, next to the bank. Okay. Hi, do you know where the nearest bus stop is?
Yes. Walk 2 blocks straight, you'll see it on the corner.
2 blocks straight, on the corner. Thank you. Excuse me, can you show me the way to the museum?
The museum? Take bus number 5. Get off at Central Park. The museum is opposite the park.
Bus number 5, get off at Central Park, opposite the park. Thank you very much. Excuse me, where is the supermarket?
Go left, then right.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Sure. First go left at the corner, then turn right. The supermarket is near the pharmacy.
Near the pharmacy, thank you. Is it far from here?
Not really. It's about a 5-minute walk.
Perfect. Thanks again. Excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me find the library?
The library? Okay, let me think. Are you walking or driving?
I'm walking.
Then go straight for 3 blocks. You'll see a big church. Turn right there. The library is behind the church, next to the school.
Straight 3 blocks, church, turn right, library behind church, next to school. Got it.
Yes, you can't miss it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
Excuse me, sir. Could you help me, please?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the nearest train station.
The train station? Sure. Walk straight down this road, about 5 minutes. Then you'll see a big roundabout. The station is on the right-hand side.
Straight, 5 minutes, roundabout, then right side. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Asking for a bank.
Excuse me, where's the nearest bank?
Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left after the bakery. The bank is opposite the hospital.
2 blocks, left at the bakery, opposite the hospital. Got it.
Asking for a restaurant.
Hi, can you tell me how to get to a good restaurant around here?
Sure. Go along this street until you reach the traffic lights. Turn right, and you'll see several restaurants.
Along the street, traffic lights, then right. Thanks.
Asking for the bus stop.
Excuse me, is there a bus stop near here?
Yes. Walk straight for 1 block. The bus stop is next to the pharmacy.
Next to the pharmacy. Thank you. Excuse me, how do I get to the supermarket?
Go left, then right.
Sorry, could you repeat that more slowly?
Sure. First, turn left at the corner. Then, turn right after the school. The supermarket is beside the post office.
Left at the corner, right after the school, beside the post office. Okay, thank you. Is it far from here?
Not too far, about 7 to 8 minutes on foot.
Perfect. Excuse me, I think I'm lost. I'm looking for the museum.
The museum? All right. Are you walking or taking a bus?
I'm walking.
Okay. Walk straight for 3 blocks. You'll see a large park. Cross the park, and on the other side, the museum is between the library and the theater.
Walk straight 3 blocks, cross the park, between library and theater. Got it.
Exactly. If you want, you can also take bus number 10. It stops directly in front of the museum.
Oh, that's easier. Where's the bus stop for number 10?
The bus stop is around the corner, next to the coffee shop.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.